Hi there, I'm Victor, and I wanted to show you how to use and install and use Pretty Links on WordPress. What a great plugin to have. Please subscribe and like to my channel. And if you have any questions, put them below and I'll try and respond to you. It's a really useful plugin. You're going to only get the free version. You don't have to pay for they have a paid one, but I've never really needed it in several years of having it, and it works really well. And I want to show you how you find it and then how you use it real quick. All right, so go to plugins, you want to say add new. I mean, I just typed in pretty in space and here's Pretty Links. It has kind of like this star thing going on. I have it installed and I'm using it, but this is how you can find it, right? And when you search for it, because I have it installed, it says active, right? If it was not installed, I would have install now, and I would just click install now and then activate it. Once it's activated, I should see it over here in my list of different menu items, and I click on Pretty Links. If I want to create a link, what I'm going to do is I want to say add new link. I want a pretty link for people to subscribe to my YouTube channel, for example. I changed this to permanent. Temporary has some settings that are useful, but most of the time, if I want to create an affiliate link or a link for anything and I want to use it for a long time, I just say permanent. And then target URL. This is the actual URL, no matter how ugly it is and stuff like that. So I'm going to go and find my YouTube channel. So YouTube channel, and then add this to the end of it. And that is the same as someone clicking on the subscribe button. This is the link, the URL that I'm going to give to people, right? And it's going to be all of that, funwithchords.com/subscribe here. I mean, that's what I'm going to put. This is just notes that I can put in myself. You can always go over these little icons and click on them, and it'll explain that for you. I don't normally put a note, but there's nothing wrong with having a note in there. Now, once I do that, I say update, and it publishes this link. And so I'm going to say publish or update. Now, once it saves it, right? So subscribe to Fun with Chords YouTube channel, right? /subscribe here. And I click this, right? So it copied. What did it copy, right? It copied the whole URL that I just created. So if I go here and paste in what it copied, this is what it copied. So how does it work? What does it do? Well, now I have this URL instead of the ugly URL from YouTube. And if I go ahead and double click this, or I put it anywhere, like in my descriptions or whatever I'm going to be doing with it, if I click on it to go to the web page, it actually just takes me right to going ahead and subscribing, just like when you click on subscribe. And it just asks for the confirmation. Do you want to subscribe? And I say, yeah, sure, I want to subscribe. Okay, so I can't subscribe to my own page. No surprise there. You saw it took me right here. When I clicked on that link, it took me right to this plus subscribe. I hope that makes sense on how it works and everything. And I think it's great. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll get back to you. I hope that this video has been helpful for you and everything. If you've ever been interested on making money online and stuff like that, there's some training that I've actually used, and it was the training that helped me to make the first money online I've ever made. Anyway, I really recommend it. Go to 𝐀𝐞𝐭'𝐬.com and you can find more out about it, called Simple Traffic Blueprint. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and have a good one.